Hello, and welcome to a new video. Hair loss has become one of the aesthetic problems today. It affects both men and women in varying degrees and ways. But nature always comes up with practical solutions. Still, it takes a lot of perseverance and patience to see the expected results. The lotion recipes we speak about in the next minutes can be prepared at home from simple ingredients. Many of these remedies are known since antiquity. More and more people are interested in returning to the recipes of the elderly, in terms of skin and hair care, given that cosmetics in stores are full of toxic ingredients and are very expensive and ineffective. These herbal recipes prevent hair loss, and at the same time, cleanse the scalp and strengthen and nourish the hair root. Whatever lotion you choose to prepare, you will get stronger hair and a healthier scalp. 1. Rosemary lotion and olive oil. Put 10 tablespoons of dried rosemary powder in a jar, and cover it with olive oil. Let it soak for 30 days, then strain. Massage the scalp for 10 minutes with the oil obtained, leave it to act for an hour, then wash the hair with shampoo. 2. Onion lotion. Although it has an unpleasant odor, onions are an excellent remedy for hair loss. Mix the juice of 2 onions with 1 teaspoon of honey. Massage the scalp with the resulted mixture. Leave it on for an hour. Then rinse and wash your hair with shampoo. 3. Sage and apple cider vinegar lotion. Use a natural and unrefined apple cider vinegar, rich in probiotics. This will help to balance natural bacteria on the scalp. Mix half a glass of apple cider vinegar with half a glass of water. Then add 10 drops of sage essential oil. Pour this mixture on the hair and massage the scalp thoroughly. Wrap your hair in a towel and leave for 30 minutes or more. Rinse and wash your hair with shampoo. For people with an oily scalp, this is an excellent remedy. However, if your hair is dry, avoid using vinegar, as it can further damage the hair. To cleanse the scalp and prevent hair loss, at least one of these treatments per week is required. Use it for a few months to see real results.